Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's nighttime right now, but we're gonna work on my Civic Si in a little bit. Jamar's finishing up with his 240. Just fixed his headlights, both of them went out. He replaced the fuses and some wiring on there. It's pretty jank right here though, look at this wire.
I can definitely just tuck this in. I don't know why the last owner didn't do it, so I'm just gonna retuck it.
Well, once he's done with that, I'm gonna pull the car in. We're gonna be installing some quick releases today because the side of my bumper is completely coming off. So since when I got the car, it's already been coming off. So instead of replacing this entire thing, or entire bumper, which is gonna cost a lot, what I plan to do is just to drill a hole here and put a quick release right here so we can snap it in. And hopefully it doesn't look as bad as this because right now it's sagging everything. Hopefully it'll look something like around there, but we'll see how it goes. The quick release we are going to be using today is from eBay. They're pretty cheap. They're like, what, 15 bucks? And they come like this. So it's like a pin system with a, I don't know what this is called, but essentially it's a circle that you're gonna have to drill out of your car. That'll focus this, and it's gonna go into this little circular pin piece, but it'll be like this. And all you have to do is just click this little pin right in the back and it'll pop it out. So we're gonna install those today. Hopefully my bumper won't be sagging anymore and it'll be good to go. But Jamar's gonna pull out his car right now. Pop open the hood so we can get the pins off for the bumper. So for my car, there's nothing really holding up the bumper, so it's just gonna be this pin, the entire thing should fall off. Quick release. Okay.
What are you gonna do?
So let's see. We're gonna use the existing holes on your fenders. So yours might look a little different. Since I do know these cars, the metal fenders have like this plastic bracket that holds it in place. But this one is a carbon fiber fender, so that's not gonna be there. Let me see if I can grab this bolt out first so you guys can see better. So we're gonna use this existing hole right here. The hardware that comes with the quick releases don't actually fit because it's obviously gonna be too big of a hole. But what we're gonna do is, it comes with a small washer and then I have a big washer just sitting around. Barely fits. But it should work though. So essentially you're just gonna slide it in like this. And then I'm gonna slide the other side in. This big washer. Put everything in. And then we're gonna tighten everything down. I'm just gonna hand tighten it right now, just so you guys can have a good idea. But essentially, it's gonna sit something like this. We're gonna drill out a big hole right here, and then we're gonna stick this through and then cinch it down. So first of all, we gotta figure out where do we drill that hole so it lines up. I have to kind of mock this up first. Probably gonna use some toothpaste or a marker to like find that hole. And then it's probably gonna be like something around there. Right around here. But we're gonna figure that out. We're gonna mark the spot. So I found this tire marker sitting around. So I'm gonna put some on the tip of this right now. Hopefully this works. Put it there for now. Then we're gonna mock it up, line it up. It's gonna be about there, right?
There you go.
Did it work? Oh, I think it worked. Yeah. You see it? So all you have to do now is drill a big fat hole. Alright, well, let's do it. YOLO. That's to drill a big fat hole in my bumper that I cannot replace after I drill a big fat hole.
Yeah, you can. The new bumper.
Hell no, dude. If we mess up, we're just gonna have to live with it, dude. Oh man, I can't bend this enough. I'm kind of lazy right now. I don't want to take off the bumper. I'm gonna see if I can just, you know, pull this out and just go. Oh, it slid a little. It went straight through, bro.
It did.
Now let's make it huge. I don't even have one big enough. This is my biggest one. Hopefully this works out. We're sending this boy. Let's see, let's go slow first. Oh man, that thing is... it's getting big. I'm gonna go slow. Oh, it slid a little. Check this boy out. Oh, easy, dude.
I see if it lines up good.
Hey,
it's in.
Boom, kind of. It was loose, so I had to shift it. Alright, last one. This is for the big boy now. Size of my wiener. No, I'm playing.
Damn, that's pretty thin.
No, I'm playing. Oh, that just went straight in.
Yo. Oh my god.
I don't think it's even big enough yet. No, this is even bigger, dude. That's all I got, dude.
You're just gonna have to keep drilling till it works.
I might have to... Let me check. Let's cut that. I'm gonna double check real quick if we have something bigger. Yeah, that's getting bigger.
Yeah, like your butthole.
Whoa. Oh man, that's a good amount bigger. I gotta keep going for a while. It's on there,
Oh man.
Perfect.
A little too big.
Nah, don't worry. It's perfect, dude.
It's a little too big.
No, it's perfect, dude. Ooh, we might have messed this one up big time, guys. Hold on. Let me
Bondo?
yeah, no. Let me tighten it a little bit. Let me see. Let's see.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Man, look at that dog ass.
What do you mean, bro?
man.
Dude, that's good. Look, it lines up perfectly. Perfectly follows the body line. Easy. Easy, look at that. I'm satisfied. Not too picky with like how this is. Alright, we're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side now. Okay, we're gonna put this back in here. We're gonna put this through. You know. Get that marker. What the boy? Thanks. Alright. We're gonna drill a hole now.
Oh, yo.
That's pretty good. It's a little
still looks
ovally,
like an oval.
but I'll straighten it out.
Oh no,
But perfect.
that's perfect.
Perfect, bro. Dude, it's everywhere. It's like cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
I like cheese.
Yeah. You like cheese?
I said cheese.
No, you said cheese. Let me tighten it a little more.
Oh, there you go.
Okay. Pretty good.
Hey, there you go.
That's pretty flush.
It's like you can't even see it.
Yeah, you can't even see it because the color.
Yeah.
Black on black, dude. So this is the clip on there. Looks a lot better, and it's quick release too. So you just gotta press this button like this, pops right off. So it's easy. And then same thing, you just slide that thing on, push it down, flips right on, and doesn't come off. So yeah, that's pretty good. It's very cheap, $10. You can grab these on eBay. They're really affordable. So if you guys have the same issue, you guys should do that. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today's video. If you guys liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Mason, say something.
Okay. We have something coming up for the next video. Little hint. 3, 2, C.
Ooh, ow.